Now, it's been a while since I've made a video, and the reason for that is I had a terrible flying day. So let's get our bearings, let's see where we are. So here's the road. Oh, we've got a little bit of breakup because I'm down the bottom here. There's the car. So someone's been playing with the rocks down here. Look, someone's moved them about. Let's. Very overcast day today. Might even get some rain. Flipped the Pavo, and then thought it was fine. Went to fly like 2 days later, and nothing. No video feed. So that was number one. Pavo didn't work. And then I flew my Darwin FPV. The propeller came off mid-flight and just crashed, and it made me just come home and leave all the stuff in the bag. And I literally hadn't got the drones out of the bag for 2 weeks. Now, one of the issues with the 04, especially the 04 Lite, I think, is that it's very delicate. I've had another one that I crashed, and again, I just didn't work. So I stripped that off the 65 I had and then put it onto the Meteor 75. And then I bought a new one for the Pavo, which now is not working either. So I've got the only other drone I have at the moment that's ready to go is the Meteor 75, which I flew a little bit. It was Sam and Denny the other day. That was the day that I had issues with the Pavo and the Darwin. This is fun, just flying after a couple of weeks break. Check I can still do it. But it also shows that it's super important in this hobby to have some options, because if you only got one and something stops working for some reason, which with FPV it will, you're stuck and can't fly. I mean, you can jump on the simulator, but I haven't touched that either. Alright, we probably need to do some power loops or something, don't we? Should we hit a loop here? Nice sensible one with the Avata because it comes down so heavy. Have a little looky over here. We never really go over here. Just got to watch I don't lose signal down the other side of there. Let's see if we can get a cool loop over the road and then down the path where I am. Yeah, that worked. That can be the Instagram post for the day. Oh, we're at 32%. So you do have to watch the battery on the Avata. You do get a lot of battery sag because it is so heavy. Okay, low battery warning. Okay, that was a fun flight. I enjoyed that. So that's the idea. I nearly sold the Avata, but it's just a good workhorse, especially for cinematic stuff, especially for slow indoor fly-throughs and stuff like that. Let me know how your flying's going. I will get that Pavo back up and running for sure. I need to get some more props for the Darwin, and I'll get the Meteor out very soon because that's ready to go. Just need to charge those batteries, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.